So, bit of a walk around the armoury and a few things coming to the channel soon. Been getting rid of some stuff, having a clear out some of my archery gear which I don't use anymore. Just been shopping this morning for a new toy. Got some different pellets to try, some RWS Superfield. Just bought this Crossman 1377 pump pistol to try. I've got, this is a trigger pull gauge, and I've got a couple of targets. They're quite cool, these reactive targets. So you've got different size slots that you can use. So you've got 40, 25 and 15, and the reset is 40 diameter. Got a nice spike on the bottom to stick it into the ground. I got the same, but Mr. Rat to shoot at. So looking forward to having a go with them. Weather's not ideal today. It's a bit too windy, gusting 60 mile an hour. Bit of a pellet collection going on now, look. So yeah, some things coming to the channel soon when I get a chance. Cheers.